Hey! My name is Paul, I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about burner for Magikitch'n part #3004-003940. Burner for Magikitch'n part #3004-003940 is a replacement part for Magikitch'n commercial cooking equipment. It is a cast iron burner that is designed to provide an even heat distribution and consistent flame. The burner has a high temperature finish that resists corrosion and wear, making it ideal for commercial kitchens. The burner has a threaded mounting hole for easy installation and comes with a gasket to ensure a tight seal. This part is compatible with Magikitch'n models such as the -2 Malawian Kwaches, -3 Malawian Kwaches, -4 Malawian Kwaches, and -5 Malawian Kwaches. It is also compatible with other brand. This part fixes the following symptoms. Burner for Magikitch'n part #3004-003940 is designed to replace a faulty or worn-out burner on a Magikitch'n range. It can help to fix symptoms such as uneven heat distribution, poor flame control, and inadequate heating. Here is how you install this part. 1. Make sure that the gas supply line is properly connected to the Magikitch'n part #3004-003940. 2. Remove the existing burner from the unit and discard it. 3. Place the new burner into position and secure it with screws provided in the package. 4. Connect the gas supply line to the new burner using a flare nut wrench or adjustable wrench. Make sure that all connections are tight and secure. 5. Turn on the gas supply and check for any leaks using a soapy water solution or leak detector spray. If any leaks are detected, tighten all connections until. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.